Yeah, you can record, just obviously not in the courtroom. So
Okay.
that's, you can do you. As long as you're not causing disturbance, that's fine by me.
Yeah, thanks for investigating. Why didn't you investigate?
Okay, I'm sorry. I
Oh.
apologize.
Distracted driving.
There's no film in here, okay?
Put that down. Put
Hey,
that down.
whoa, back away from me, man.
Put that down.
What are you doing?
Let's go.
Back
Get out of the
away.
courthouse.
Back away. This is not. I'm not in a courtroom. I'm not in a courtroom. Who are you? Why are you coming up behind me like that? What's wrong with this guy? Wow. Yeah. Why are you coming up on me like that, man?
I'm asking you not. You can't
Well,
film.
I'm not in any courtroom or I'm not in a courtroom or anything. I'm not in a restricted area. This is a public area.
I'm just asking you not to film.
But this is a public area. I'm not.
Filming in the area.
Yes, I'm in a public area. This is a public
Sir,
area.
There's no filming in the area. Let's go.
Yeah, there's no reason for you to get. Listen, are you security guard or law enforcement? Are you security guard or law enforcement, sir? Can I get your name? Badge number 117. Hey, how you doing? Are you a supervisor here?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm just taking some pictures and video. I'm a journalist.
Sure, come on over this way. I'm going to show you the sign.
Yeah, let me see the sign. Sure, no problem.
So you probably, I'm going to ask you to nicely to please shut this off and then read the sign and then determine how you want to proceed.
So what rules of the chief judge? Are you law
Take a
enforcement?
step back.
Yeah, I mean, there's no reason for five
won't you
security
please read
guards.
the sign and then stop recording.
Are you law enforcement, sir?
Yes.
You're law enforcement?
I'm going to ask you to read the sign
Or are you public safety?
and I'm going to ask you to read the sign. And
Rules
stop
of the chief
recording.
judge. Electronic recording and audiovisual coverage in court facilities, court proceedings. Yeah, of court proceedings. Whether or not the court is in session, forbidden. Where's the actual order? This is just a sign. Where's like an order from the
That is
judge?
the order from the chief judge right there.
Yeah, the chief judge of where?
So once again, you're in a courthouse.
Yeah.
You've read the sign. You've seen no video, no photographers, no recording.
What's the law though?
You've written it, and maybe you might want to take a look at this because this is criminal contempt.
Yeah.
You continue, and you know I don't want to see that happen.
You don't have you don't have arrest capabilities. You're a security
well,
guard.
if I do or don't, I can call a police officer and a deputy sheriff if you'd like me to. What can I do to assist you?
I mean, you could definitely call law enforcement. I would love for you to call law enforcement because I would like for you to get educated. This is not a law.
appreciate that.
These are policies, sir. Can I get your name?
Sure, Captain Wright.
Captain Wright?
Ray.
Captain Ray.
Yes.
Yeah, these are policies, and
Okay.
this officer here tried to come at me from behind and put his hands on me.
Oh, he tried to put his hands on you?
Yeah, he tried. I had to back up and put my hand to block him.
So anyway, how can I
Security
help you
officers
today?
and public
So
safety.
how can I help you today?
Security officers and public safety like yourself are here to observe and report, sir. They're not here to put. You're not here to put your hands on anybody, man. That's not okay.
So what can I do to help you today?
That's not okay. You're public
So what
safety.
can I do to help you today?
I'm not a
Because you
danger of the
speak
public
recording
safety. Yes, I am recording. So I'm a journalist. I have a First Amendment right to record in
Yes,
publicly
yes, you do.
accessible areas.
Okay, but
I'm
not
gathering
here. This is a
content.
courthouse. The signs are very clear.
I'm not in a courtroom.
Do you have business here today?
I'm not in a courtroom. Yes, I do.
Well, it says if you actually read the sign, office or hallway.
Yeah.
So I'm going to ask
So where's
you-
the courtrooms?
So I'm going to ask you
Where's the
nicely-
courtrooms? Is this the hallway of a
So I'm gonna ask you
courtroom?
nicely, you've read the signs.
But if you want to
Now
get
you've asked for
technical
a
with the
law
sign.
enforcement officer, and here he is, and maybe he can help you.
How you doing, sir? You law enforcement officer?
Yes, I am.
Suffolk County Deputy Sheriff?
Yes.
Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Anthony Islers, 579.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm just a First Amendment,
Yeah.
I'm a First Amendment advocate. I'm a journalist. I'm not in, there's no courtrooms around here where I'm at. These are publicly accessible areas. I'm just working on a story, gathering content for a story. Peacefully, I'm not bothering anybody, and they're making a big deal about it.
What are you trying to accomplish?
I'm trying to accomplish exercising my rights without having being told to stop. That's really what I'm trying to accomplish.
Mind talking about me out here real quick?
I
I'd be
mean,
happy to talk with you. You can
I
record me all you want.
I mean, we could talk, but I don't
you
want to talk
trying
out
to
there
record
unless you're
though?
going
That's
to.
what I'm getting.
No, I'm just recording all the signage here and all the public documents that are inside.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm an independent journalist, like I told you. I'm just working on a story on the. I'm not anywhere near. It's a story on the Traffic Violations Bureau, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not anywhere near any courtrooms. Nowhere near courtroom.
All right.
No, not even in them.
This is.
I showed this
I
gentleman
understand,
all
yeah.
the signs and asked him to read it.
Yeah, but these aren't the
Just
law.
says
These aren't the law, though. These aren't the law, sir. These are signs. These are policies.
These policies of what the building is asking you of.
Yeah,
So-
they're policies. I have a right. This is a public building. I have the right to be in this public building. And just because I'm
Exactly.
recording shouldn't restrict my access to the public building. I'm not bothering anybody. I'm not interrupting any courtrooms. I'm not doing anything of that nature. I'm not causing a disturbance. If anything, that security guard over there, while I was filming these signs over here, he tried to run up on me and grab me from behind. And I had to like put my hand out to stop him.
Who's this?
The guy right behind you, right by the computer screen over there. It was uncalled for. I'm a reasonable guy. I'm not trying to break the law.
No,
I'm not breaking
saying
the
you
law.
are. I'm just saying.
I'm not breaking the law.
They have the sign up here for a reason.
I understand
That's-
it's a policy, but they also, sir,
yeah.
deputy, they also had signs once upon a time that said people of a certain skin color couldn't come into an establishment, correct? Were those signs acceptable? Just because it's on a sign.
Can we talk over here? So
I'd rather.
over here.
I'll get out the way. We can come over
Come
here.
over here. Just follow me over here.
We can come over here.
All right. You want? All right. Get in. So what are you trying to do? Besides just record and
I'm just recording in publicly accessible areas. That's all I'm
Okay.
doing. And if you are going to violate my rights in any way, you let me know that, and I'll take it up with the proper venue. If you're going to arrest me for any
I
reason,
never said I was going to arrest you.
I would hope not. I'm not breaking the law.
That's why I'm just trying to talk to you, but I'd rather talk to you over there.
All right, but I don't want to go over there, sir. I want to stay where I'm at. This is a public building. I'd rather stay where I'm at, sir. Excuse me. I'm not running
So
away
you're a
from you.
journalist. Who do you work for?
I'm independent. I work for myself, sir.
Independent. You work for yourself.
That's correct. Yeah, you can. I've had a bunch of I've gone through this before with Suffolk County Police Department. You can call and check with them, even your own agency, sir. I'm sure they know who I am. They know I'm an independent journalist. They know I'm not here with any nefarious. I'm not here with any nefarious purposes or anything. I'm just here to document all the signs in the publicly accessible areas. I don't want to go near
I
courtrooms
understand
or.
that, but the signs are clearly saying no video, no photographs, no recordings.
I understand the
So-
signs.
I don't get what you're trying to do.
But they're not law. That's my whole purpose. I don't have any weapons. I obviously cleared through the metal detector, right? So I'm not a threat to anybody. I don't understand what's the big deal about a camera. I get what you're saying, the signs.
Yeah.
But there could be, like I told you, there could be any sign. You could put up a sign anywhere. I could put up a sign, and what does that mean? What law? You are law enforcement.
Well, what are you trying to accomplish by
I told
coming
you,
here
Gab-
recording this whole building?
I told you I'm working on a story on this building. That's what I'm trying to
Working on the
accomplish.
story.
Yeah.
What's the story?
I'm gathering public information on the Traffic Violations Bureau.
Okay. Well, clearly you're not allowed to record here. It's based on the signs. I know you're saying it's not the law.
Yeah.
That's just the
We
way
have
it
you
is.
took an oath to the United States Constitution to uphold the Constitution. Did you, sir?
Yeah, it did.
I know you did. So, okay, so the First Amendment of the United States is we have freedom of press. So if anywhere that a regular citizen can go, I can go. I'm not in a courtroom. Judges have control over the courtroom, and so this is where you pay your tickets. This is nowhere near a courtroom. Yeah, this is not a court. This is not a courthouse building. This is the Denison building. This is controlled by the county.
Make a request to the county executive to run a story.
I don't need their permission though. That my thing is that I don't need their. I see what you're saying, but I don't need their permission. That's the whole point, really. To be honest, I'm not in any room. I'm not breaking any laws. I don't want to cause a disturbance. I'm not going to. I don't know what else there is to really talk about. That's not my goal here. Do you have a supervisor I can speak to, maybe, or
I don't have a supervisor here. No, I don't.
can you call a supervisor? Are you stationed here in this building?
For the day, I am. That's about it.
Oh, okay. Can you call a
You got a
supervisor?
problem, you got to speak with PD about that. They run it.
They run what?
They run this building.
Yeah.
So I mean, I'm not PD. I'm not local police department.
All right. So I mean, why? Then what are we talking for? I want to
I
talk
was
to
told
somebody.
to come over here. You're not allowed to record in here. That's what
I
I'm
mean,
basically here
I'm not breaking the law. You said
I
it
understand
yourself.
that. I'm not saying you broke the law. I'm not saying you broke the law. I'm not saying you did anything.
So I guess I'm just going to go about my business then. I'm not breaking the law. TPVA 9 a.m. morning calendars here. You guys are always recording us, right? You guys are always recording the people. Look at the camera right above you, man. Captain, excuse me. There's a camera everywhere, right? It's a big deal. You go to Walmart, there's a camera. There's always a camera going to be everywhere you go.
You can read the signs. Thank you.
I see your signs. I see them. But there also was signs at once upon a time that said that, you know, people of a certain skin color.
I don't go about once upon a time. I go about the present.
Well,
This is a sign.
and the present is that I'm openly defying that sign because I believe it to be unconstitutional.
You have the right to believe whatever you like.
Okay. So this is the metal detector that we came through when we first walked in over here. So they know we don't have any weapons. We're not a threat to anyone. Ridiculous. The way they escalated like that. The way this man escalated the situation was horrendous. I'm glad I turned around because he was reaching to grab me, that's for sure. I get real bad Tyrant vibes off this guy. So this is the clerk's office over here. The cashier's office where you pay your fines. What is it that they don't want us to know here? Let's hope he's talking to somebody who respects their oath that they took to uphold the United States Constitution. Unconstitutional signs here. Hey, Deputy, did we get any clarification, sir?
Yeah, you can record, just obviously not in the courtroom. So
Okay.
that's you do you. As long as you're not causing disturbance, that's fine by me.
Okay, perfect. I just wanted to make sure that we
No,
had
you're
some,
not bothering anybody.
we had
Record,
some
record.
clarification. Exactly.
I don't care,
Thank
I gave you
you.
my name and shield, no problem.
Yeah, and I appreciate that. I appreciate that. My name is Sean, by the way. Yeah.
To me, obviously. So.
Okay.
You know, as long as you cause a disturbance, sure. Go courtroom, something like that.
Yeah.
I'm fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Not a problem.
I appreciate it. Thank
I
you so much.
appreciate it.
And if you could just let them know, because they were trying to escalate the situation,
Yeah,
the public
I-
safety here.
Just talk to me.
No, I don't want to talk to them.
No,
That's what I'm
I
saying.
get it.
You can let them know so we can de-escalate a little bit.
I'm
Thank
only
you.
here maybe once a week, but I'm not really here full time.
Okay, I got you.
I got it. I'll take care
Okay,
of it.
Deputy. Thank you, Deputy.
No,
I
not a
appreciate
problem,
it.
dude.
Thank
All
you.
right,
You
just-
stay safe, okay? You have a good one. Thank you.
Does the First Amendment automatically create a right to film anywhere the public may enter? Not necessarily. New York Court Rule Part 29.1 restricts recording inside a courthouse, including its offices and hallways, without authorization. That supports security if this location legally falls within the covered court facility. Sean's counterargument is narrower. He says this is a public county building area, away from any courtroom. So the key legal question isn't simply policy versus constitutional rights. It's whether Part 29.1 actually applies to this specific location.
You can't drink alcohol. Watch your step outside for a minute. Good morning. We tried to make this easy for you.
Make it easy for yourself.
Get out. Dude,
Why is your body cameras not on?
bro, just step outside. It's
For
not
what?
that hard. You can't drink anymore. And you're not even covering it up.
Why would I need to cover it up?
Oh, you're gonna turn around.
Why's your body camera not on? Okay.
You have to exit the
What's your name and badge number?
Chan 3364.
Why you asked me to leave?
Because you're drinking.
Everybody's drinking. You know how many people have coffee here?
Come on, get out.
You know how many people have coffee here?
Come on, get out, get out.
No, I didn't break no rules. Don't touch me. I didn't break no rules or laws. I have a right to be here.
No, you don't. Okay,
Why?
now
Because
it's
you
the
don't know how to
alcohol.
investigate? I don't drink alcohol.
Okay, yo, give me your ID. Give me
For
your
what?
ID. Because I'm gonna write you a summons.
For what?
For having alcohol.
I don't
beverage.
drink alcohol. Investigate. Use your eyes.
Okay,
fucking dumb?
Okay, what are you drinking?
Why don't you make contact? Why don't you investigate before you make contact? You just assuming
okay,
shit.
okay, can I see that?
No, I'm okay. I'm drinking it out in the open, like you said. You don't investigate before you make contact, and then you turn on your body cam? You crazy. Break contact. Go back to work.
I am working.
How can I help you? How can I help you, Chen? What's your name and badge? And you? You can take those gloves off if you don't need it. Yeah, thanks for investigating. Why didn't you
Okay,
investigate?
I'm sorry. I
Oh.
apologize.
I accept your apology.
She did some of the other side.
Yeah, but she didn't even look. She's automatically assumed that I'm drinking alcohol in public.
When can suspicion turn into an ID demand? Under New York CPL Section 140.50, police need reasonable suspicion for an investigative stop involving suspected criminal conduct. And if these are NYPD officers, department policy also requires body camera activation during many investigative or enforcement encounters. The officer's strongest argument is the apparent alcohol container and a possible violation. The citizen's strongest argument is what happens next. After an actual inspection, the officer sends not alcohol and apologizes. Legally, the central question is whether sufficient facts supported the intervention before that verification occurred.